This is the island in the middle of the river. Godder, sorry. Now, as you can see, it's surrounded by water and ends just up there. This is my friends walking through the water, and this is me jumping into the water. That was me jumping into the water. There's a lot of little fish in this little river. Little. And we are now walking through the Dodder again. That's Gooch. There's Carl and Dean. Davey's all the way up there. There's Dean, Colin, Gooch a retard, and there's Carl just looking staunch as ever. So this is the island, and that's all we have for you right now. Goodbye.